How to use a custom ringtone on an LG phone. Choosing a custom ringtone can make it easy to know when your LG phone is ringing instead of someone else's. To choose a ringtone, open Settings. Then tap on Sound, tap on Ringtone, tap on the chosen ringtone to select it and hear it previewed. If you don't hear it, turn your ringer volume up. Once the chosen ringtone is selected, tap OK at the bottom. Then tap on the back arrow at the top left. If you would like to use a custom ringtone, you need to download a ringtone from a website or an app, or download the audio you wish to use, even if it is part of a song. Once you have the audio file on the phone, open Settings. Then tap on Sound, tap on Ringtone, tap on the plus button at the top right, choose Audio if prompted, and tap Always. Find the audio file you want to use and tap on it. The phone will begin previewing the audio. If no audio is heard, turn your ringer volume up. You can choose what part of the audio you want to play for your ringtone by adjusting the sliders in the preview window. Once the adjustments are done, tap on OK at the bottom right. You will then be taken back to the ringtone selection screen with your new ringtone selected. Then tap on the back arrow at the top left and you're all set. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.